Everybody, this is Sting WCW1998, and I am at the top of the volcano. Look at all the way down there. This is the crater of Mount Wana, and Nin's Peak is all the way down there. And I'm just gonna... Whoa, good job!